Yo, yo, yo. All right, so February is upon us, and that means Black History Month, a time where we honor our African American heritage. And to do my part, every week this month, with the exception of Valentine's Day, I'm going to feature a recipe of African American making. Happy Black History Month, and welcome to my kitchen. So, we're getting started early and we're getting dirty with swamp water, a recipe from the Bayou. Now, I got this recipe off of Gucci Belly's Tumblr website, and as you'll tell, it actually resembles the Arnold Palmer. Now, I don't know which one came first or what the differences are, but that doesn't matter. For all intents and purposes, we're calling it swamp water. So, let's get into it. First, the lemonade. Now, the recipe calls for lemonade concentrate, but it also says that you can use your own lemonade recipe. So, let's make some lemonade. First, we're gonna heat up 3 cups of water. Now, you don't have to boil it, just heat it up enough so that we can dissolve the sugars. And then once it's heated, we're gonna add 1 cup of sugar, and we're gonna stir to dissolve, and then set aside. Now for the lemon juice, we're going to need about 1 cup of lemon juice, and the rule of thumb is that 1 lemon yields about 2 or 3 tablespoons of juice. So you'll need about 5 or 6 lemons. Now just give them a roll on a flat surface, and this is to help release the juices, and then cut in half. And then juice however you like. I happen to have a citrus press for easier juicing. Now in a pitcher, you're gonna pour the lemon juice and the water and then mix. Now check for the sweetness just to make sure it's what you like and adjust as necessary. Then we're gonna set this aside. And now for the tea. All right, we're gonna bring 4 cups of water to a boil, and then we're gonna add 8 tea bags and then boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Now after the 3 to 5 minutes, then we're just going to let this seep for 10 minutes, removing it from the heat. We're gonna remove the tea bags, squeezing out the remaining liquid, then discard it. Now to sweeten. So, now the recipe calls for sugar, but I like to use brown sugar because it gives a much more rounded sweetness than sugar alone. So we're gonna add a cup of brown sugar, and then to complete the sweetness, I'm going to also add about 1/4 cup of white sugar. Stir to dissolve the sugars. So we're gonna pour this in a pitcher over ice, and mix. Now we're just gonna combine the lemonade, and the iced tea, and then mix. Now you can add ice at this point to chill the mixture more quickly, or you can just place it in the refrigerator until it's completely chilled. And then we're just gonna serve this over ice with lemon slices. And then you enjoy this dirty deliciousness in a glass. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you definitely want to try this swamp water, or what you feel the differences are between this and an Arnold Palmer. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.